Sati is here and also Nini. Today we are going to do an experiment. And these are the ingredients and materials that we need. Are you ready? Okay. First, we need oil. I already filled this cup with 2/3 of oil. Well, I just used the used oil, the one that we already used, because I don't want to waste the oil that I have at home. Next, we need 2 straws, food colorings, 2 different colors, and also 2 small containers already filled with water. Are you ready to start our experiment? This experiment is very simple. We just want to explore the water and also the oil. First, I will fill in the food colorings in each of the containers. And I'm going to stir so the water is mixed well. Now I have 2 different colors. First is green and then red. Okay, now with the straw, I'm going to put in the water, the color water, and I'm going to cover the top part. So there is water trapped in the bottom of the straw. Next, I'm going to let the color water run in the oil. Let's see what happened. Look! Can you see the red drop? Okay, I will show you closer. See? With this green color, I'm going to put inside. Look! Some green drops in the oil. And I'm going to put more drops of the watercolor inside the oil. Look, I used both of my hands to put 2 different colors inside the oil. Can you see the watercolor drops in the oil? If you can see, the watercolor did not mix with the oil because the oil and also the water have different molecules. That's why they don't mix with each other. Look, when I put the food coloring inside the water, it mixed really well. But if I put the watercolor inside the oil, it didn't mix. See? Because the molecules are different, so they don't mix with each other. So, did you learn something from here? That's all for our exploration today. If you want to see more videos from us, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications and wait for more videos from us. Bye! GoFun Time!